Hi, I'm Mark Freed, and this is the second video in a series of videos uh, in which I will give explanations of basic MediaWiki commands that you need to create pages in KNILT. And in this video, I'm going to focus on creating links between pages. So if you looked at the previous information or you read the help page, you know I created a user guide. Let's go to that user guide right now. And the last video is right here. So I'm going to work in there to give you examples of how to create links. So if, for example, you had created this page, you would want a way to get back to where you started. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, just a quick reminder, you can get to wiki help pages here. But I've also created links directly to the 3 pages I told you really want to pay attention to initially, which are creating new pages, linking pages, and formatting pages. And so let's go to the, let's open up the page that shows creating links. So this page is fairly long, and as you become more familiar with MediaWiki and work deeper into your KNILT project, you may want to use a whole bunch of things on here, but I'm just going to focus on a few right now. So basically, you want to deal with internal links and external links. So we're going to do some internal, we'll do some of each, or at least one of each. And the basic format of an internal link, as they show here, is 2 left brackets, which I used in the previous video when I created the page with the user guide. You can see if what this is showing you here is if you put 2 left brackets, some words in the middle, and 2 right brackets, what will appear are the words in the brackets exactly as you've typed them. So here's 3 examples of that. Excuse me. If you want to use different words, you can use what's called a piped link. So here, 2 left brackets. This is the actual page in KNILT, in the MediaWiki, that you're going to save. Then you put it to this straight line, the pipe, which on your keyboard is over on the far right, probably below the backspace or delete key. And then you put the words you actually want to appear. So you can see if you do 2 left brackets, help editing pages, and then pipe, and then editing help, and 2 right brackets, you get lowercase editing help. All right, so that's how you're going to want to do it. There's more on this here, but that's how you're going to want to do this. And so now let's go back to this page. And so suppose I want to, well, I went back too far. Suppose I want to add a link back to my user page. That was actually fairly useful. So, and I want to add it right here after the video. So I go into edit, and I can type 2 left brackets, and then I can say user : Mark Freed, which is the name of that link, and I can save it. And now what I have is a link back to this page. Simple as that. Okay, let's go forward to it again. And let's look at the same link that I just created and say, suppose I want to explain what it's doing. So I put a pipe in and I say return to my user page. Now if I save it, it says return to my user page, and it does the same thing. So that's how you create an internal link, and you're going to want to do that so you can navigate easily around your KNILT project. So let's save this now, and I will create the following another video on an external link immediately after we do this one.